Looking to transform your garden with lush, flowering vines? A trellis is the perfect way to support climbing plants while adding a stunning vertical element to your space. Here are some of the best flowering vines to consider for your trellis. Clematis is a garden favorite, known for its large, showy flowers that bloom in a variety of colors, including purple, pink, white, and blue. This vine thrives in well-drained soil and loves full to partial sun. Just remember, feet in the shade, head in the sun for the best blooms. If you want a vine that brings a tropical feel, Bougainvillea is an excellent choice. With its bright, paper-like flowers in shades of pink, red, orange, and purple, this vine thrives in warm climates. It requires full sun and well-draining soil, but rewards gardeners with spectacular, long-lasting blooms. For a fragrant and romantic touch, consider Jasmine. Whether you choose star jasmine or Confederate jasmine, these vines produce delicate white or yellow flowers with a sweet, intoxicating scent. They are easy to train on a trellis and grow well in both sunny and partially shaded areas. Another fantastic option is trumpet vine, known for its tubular, orange-red flowers that attract hummingbirds. This fast-growing, hardy vine thrives in full sun and can tolerate various soil conditions. However, it spreads quickly, so regular pruning is recommended to keep it under control. Passion flower is another striking choice, with its intricate, exotic-looking blooms that come in shades of purple, blue, and white. Not only is it visually stunning, but it also attracts butterflies and bees. This vine prefers warm temperatures and well-drained soil, making it a great addition to a sunlit garden. Finally, if you're looking for a low-maintenance yet stunning climber, wisteria is a showstopper. Its cascading clusters of purple or white flowers create a dreamy, elegant display. Wisteria thrives in full sun and requires strong support, but with proper pruning, it rewards gardeners with breathtaking blooms year after year.